Hello, in this video I will show you how you can fix this error from your server. There can be multiple reasons for this. I will show two possibilities. Either your server is not running, which in my case is Apache, or the port is blocked, which can be port 88 or port 443 or some other port being used by the application. So let me just show you how you can fix it. Let's refresh this page to make sure it's down, and it has been refreshed and I'm still not being able to access it. So first of all, you can check for the ports by this command. It will listen to all the open ports, and as you can see, the ports have been listed, and in my case it's this port and the port is up and running. If the port is not running, you can simply use this command to make the port run. Sudo 443, or it can be port 80, or whichever you're using. So by this command you will be able to open the port if it is closed. And the other thing is, it can be a server. It can be Apache or Nginx or any other server that you're using. So in my case it's Apache, so I will check that. Service Apache status. Oh, it's Apache 2 actually. So as you can see, the active status is inactive, so my Apache is not running. That's why it is showing this error. So I will start the server, and now we can make sure it is running by service Apache 2 status. And as you can see that it is active now. Let's refresh the page and check if it is running. Okay, it is running now. We are on the website page. It's basically the code is broken, that's why it's showing this. Otherwise the application is running now. And if you are using Nginx, you can use the same command, but you will have to replace Nginx in place of Apache. And as it is not installed on my server here, so it's showing that service could not be found. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.